Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself sharing a Google Sheet and wanting to keep your formulas hidden from others, maybe to prevent accidental edits or just to keep things a bit tidier, you've come to the right place. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to hide the formula bar in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tuck those formulas safely out of sight for a cleaner, more secure spreadsheet experience. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open and ready to go. Now up at the top of your screen, take a look at the menu bar. There's a tab called View. This is your gateway to customizing what's displayed on your Sheets workspace. Go ahead and click on View. Now you'll see a drop-down list appear, offering different options for what you want visible in your spreadsheet. It can feel a little overwhelming if you're new to Google Sheets, but don't worry, we're zeroing in on just one feature today. Next, find the Show option in this dropdown. When you hover your mouse over Show, another small menu will pop out to the side. This is where Google lets you pick and choose what you see. Think of it like rearranging the furniture in a room so it fits you best. In this menu, you'll notice an option called Formula Bar. If there's a check mark next to it, you're currently able to see formulas in the cells you're working on. That's the little box right above your spreadsheet cells that reveals the secret sauce behind any calculations or references you've written. Sometimes, though, you just want your data to be front and center, without the distraction or risk of someone tinkering with your formulas. All you need to do now is click on Formula Bar to uncheck it. You'll probably notice the formula bar at the top of your sheet disappears instantly. No more sneaky peeks at your formulas. This new setting helps keep things neat and makes it a little more foolproof if you're sharing your sheet with others who don't need to access or edit your formulas. Maybe you're working with coworkers, collaborators, or even students and you just want everyone to focus on the numbers, not the behind-the-scenes logic. Hiding the formula bar helps you protect your setup and avoid confusion or accidental changes. And there you go, that's really all it takes. Just a couple of clicks and your formulas are out of sight. If you ever want them back, just repeat these steps and check that formula bar option again. Don't worry if it takes a minute to locate all the menus at first. Google Sheets is full of handy little features like this, and with a bit of practice, you'll be customizing your workspace like a pro. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you have any questions about hiding formulas or anything else in Google Sheets, drop a comment below. I always love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.